Welcome to our roundup of the best heat gun options. Whether you are working on home improvement projects, crafting, electronics repair, or professional DIY tasks, a reliable heat gun can make your work faster, cleaner, and more precise. We have selected top-performing heat guns that combine power, safety, and ease of use. Throughout this video, we will break down each model's heating performance, temperature control, portability, build quality, and real-world usability to help you choose the right tool for your needs. Make sure to check the description box below for the latest deals. Let's get started. The first on the list is the ZF cordless heat gun. This cordless heat gun is built for maximum freedom and flexibility. With its cordless design, fast heat-up performance, and lightweight body, it is ideal for users who want mobility without being tied to a power outlet. It heats up quickly and delivers consistent airflow, making it perfect for shrink tubing, vinyl wrapping, and light paint removal. The compact build allows you to work comfortably in tight or elevated spaces where cords can be inconvenient. What really makes this model appealing is how easy it is to use for quick tasks. The balanced grip reduces hand fatigue, and the safety-focused airflow design helps prevent overheating during extended use. While it may not replace heavy-duty corded heat guns for industrial jobs, it performs exceptionally well for everyday DIY and repair work. Overall, the ZF cordless heat gun is a smart choice for users who prioritize portability, convenience, and quick performance for small to medium projects. Next up is the Deco DKHD06 heat gun. This model brings serious power to the table with two temperature settings, 2000 watt heating output, and durable internal components designed for long-term use. It reaches high temperatures quickly, making it suitable for stripping paint, loosening rusted bolts, thawing frozen pipes, and shaping plastics. The strong airflow ensures heat is distributed evenly across the working surface. The Deco heat gun is also designed with safety and comfort in mind. Its heat-resistant housing and ergonomic handle allow for steady control even during demanding tasks. The dual temperature modes give users flexibility depending on the job, reducing the risk of damage to delicate materials. Although it is slightly bulky compared to compact models, the added size translates into better power and stability. Overall, the Deco DKHD06 heat gun is a dependable, high-powered option for homeowners and professionals who need consistent heat for tougher applications. Next, we have the Hilda cordless heat gun. This model is designed for modern DIY users who want convenience without sacrificing performance. Its cordless operation, rapid heating capability, and portable compact frame make it a versatile tool for on-the-go tasks. It delivers steady hot air output suitable for shrink wrap, cable management, and small repair jobs, all without the hassle of cords. The Hilda heat gun stands out for its ease of handling. It is comfortable to hold, simple to operate, and efficient for short-duration tasks. Battery-powered operation makes it ideal for outdoor work or locations without easy access to power outlets. While runtime depends on battery capacity, it performs reliably within its intended use range. Overall, the Hilda cordless heat gun is a great solution for users who value flexibility, quick setup, and portability in everyday heat gun applications. Coming up next, we have the Dunic hot air gun. This heat gun is built for users who want controlled performance and versatility. Featuring adjustable temperature control, strong airflow output, and durable construction, it handles a wide range of tasks from electronics repair to craft projects. The variable temperature settings allow precise heat application, reducing the risk of overheating sensitive components. The Dunic model feels well-balanced during use and offers stable performance over longer sessions. Its nozzle design focuses airflow efficiently, making it easier to direct heat exactly where needed. Whether you are working on soldering, plastic bending, or decal removal, this heat gun adapts well to different materials. Overall, the Dunic hot air gun delivers excellent control and reliability, making it a solid all-around choice for both hobbyists and advanced DIY users. The last one on our list is the JCD Micro Heat Gun. This compact tool is designed for precision tasks and delicate work. With its 750 watt heating power, compact pen-style design, and fast warm-up time, it is ideal for electronics, crafting, resin curing, and detailed repairs. The focused airflow allows accurate heat application without damaging nearby components. Despite its small size, the JCD Micro Heat Gun delivers impressive performance for light-duty applications. It is easy to store, comfortable to handle, and perfect for users who need accuracy rather than brute force. While it is not meant for heavy paint stripping or industrial use, it excels in fine detail projects where control matters most. Overall, the JCD Micro Heat Gun is an excellent precision tool for crafters, technicians, and anyone working on detailed heat-sensitive tasks. So, those are our top picks for the best heat guns available right now. Each option offers something unique, whether it is portability, power, precision, or versatility. If this video helped you choose the right heat gun for your projects, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful guides just like this one. All product links are waiting for you in the description below. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.